Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to order from Sugargoo. Alright, let's begin. First, create an account on Sugargoo and sign in. Once you're logged in, browse the homepage or use the search bar to find the product you want to buy. Click on the product to open its page, then select the specifications such as color, size, and quantity. Next, choose either Agent Buy to purchase immediately or Add to Cart if you want to continue shopping. When selecting Agent Buy, check the box that says, I agree. After that, choose your preferred services. For example, selecting Priority Purchase will add a small fee to your total. Once your services are selected, click Go to Pay. On the payment page, select your payment method, either PayPal, debit card, or credit card. Make sure the correct currency is selected before confirming your payment. After payment, it usually takes 1 to 3 days for Sugargoo to process and confirm the order. Once confirmed, your item is inspected and placed in a warehouse. After warehousing, select a logistics route and pay for international shipping. Your item will then be shipped to your home address. Once the package arrives, take a photo of it. While this step is optional, uploading a photo will earn you bonus points and rewards. So that's basically how you can order from Sugargoo. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.